Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom file upload feature using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We will go through the code step by step and I will explain how everything works. So let's get started. First we create three files. First index.html, second style.css and another is script.js. Here we write HTML code for structure, then link some custom styles in the styles.css file to make the upload button look more attractive. Then we add a script src, then we give title custom custom file upload. Then inside the body I have created a container with a heading that says upload your file. Then there is a form with a custom file upload bottom. And a text span to display the selected file name. And here is one interesting part is the JavaScript function called so file name. This function gets triggered whenever we select a file. It checks if a file is chosen. If yes, it display the file name. Otherwise, it shows no file chosen. Then another part is CSS. We write CSS. First we give body part CSS font family. You can choose yourself what you put here. Then give background color. Give the page or light gray background color. What mistake? Let me check. This is the correct. Then give display flex box to center the content. Then give height 100 px. Body take off the full viewport height. Margin 0. Remove any default margin around the body. Here let's check output. You can see when I write a code, then another part CSS is upload container selector. You can see live. Then give background colors, padding, it's from top and bottom, 20 pixel top and 40 pixel left and right. Border radius 8 pixel gives rounded corner with a radius of 8 pixels. Then gives a box shadow. It's a subtitle shadow around the container for a soft 3D effect. Then give text line centered the text inside the container. Then we give CSS S2 margin button 20 pixels. Adds space below the heading to separate it from the other content. Then give color text gray. Then another part is custom file upload. Give color custom file upload blue background color and text color white. Then right padding 10 pixel 20 pixels from top and bottom, base pixel left and right, and border radius. Then cursor pointer. Change the cursor to a pointer when hovering over the bottom, indicating it's clickable. I like give up pointers. Then display inline block makes the button behave like an inline element while still allowing block level styling. Then give margin bottom 10 pixel space below the button to spare it from other elements. Then we give another CSS custom file upload over background color. Change the background color of the bottom when the user hovers over it, making it a darker blue. Then give input type file selector CSS display none. It hides the actual file input element so that it doesn't appear on the page. Then give a ID, file name ID, display block. Make the file names display as a block element starts on a new line. Then margin top 10 pixels color. Set the color the file name text to a medium gray. When we choose a file from our laptop device, any file, if you want, still here no selected file because we don't add here script file. First we add script.js, then write script, then we write JavaScript code function show file name. Here show file name that will run when a file is selected. Then getting the file input element. Then we use get element by id to access the input element with the id file upload. That means the hidden file input field. Then another is file input. It stores the reference to this element in the variables. Then const file name. It stores the element in the file name variable. Then we are checking if a file is selected. File input.files is an array-like object containing the list of selected files. Length greater than 0. It checks if at least one file is selected. If a file is selected, then this line updates the text of the file name span to the name of the first selected file, and handling no file selected. If no file is selected, this line says the text of the file name span to no file chosen. The show file name function is triggered when a file is selected. Let's check our finally final output. When when we choose file from our device, then file is selected pt.pdf. Then you can try in your laptop, and that's it. We have successfully created a custom file upload features using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you learned something new. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.